So you're a day trader and you're tired of losing. You want to increase your win rate and become a consistent, profitable trader. Well, this video is for you. We'll go over to my best principles to fix that and help you make lots of money and win more trades instantly. You can start applying right now. Let's dive in. So maybe you are a beginner trader or you already have more experience, but the point is that you're still not profitable, but you want to get to the next level. Okay, so maybe you are entering trades with no real plan behind it. Okay, you lack discipline, or you need to practice more and backtest. You need more practice, more patience, and confidence to execute. Okay, so we're gonna go over in detail how to fix all of these issues. Okay, that's basically blocking you from having the success that you want to have. Okay, so first and foremost, one of the most important things that I always advise to my students is to have a very systematic approach to trade markets, because the thing is, the markets, they are not easy. Okay, and it involves us trading with money. So obviously there's going to be a lot of emotions involved, and the only thing that you don't want to do is obviously to lose, right? In your mind is you want to make money, you want to win your trades, but obviously we don't want to lose. Okay, so first of all, like, losing is part of this business. Okay, just consider it as a business expense, and losing is going to be inevitable. Okay, so once you understand that, you're going to be more calm and you're going to be able to digest easier your losing trades. Okay, it's not the end of the world, and just make sure that you understand that. Okay, one thing that helps me a lot is to approach the market in a long term. Okay, so don't focus on just one individual trade or one individual day. Make sure to look at the market in the long term. Okay, so think about this. Think about, you're gonna make 100 trades. Okay, you're gonna make the following 20, 30, 50, or 100 trades. Okay, so inside those 100 trades, obviously you're gonna have some losers, some losing trades. Okay, so us as day traders, we're gonna make sure that we follow our plan. Okay, and we approach the market as systematic as possible. You gotta make sure that you have a rule-based system. Okay, guys, so if you don't have that, obviously I do encourage you to do it as soon as possible. And if you don't have a systematic trading strategy, you can check on the link below. I do have more than one, and it has helped my students achieve the success that they want to have in the markets. Okay, this is my website, guys. If you want further guidance from me, this is hands down the best education you're going to be able to have. You're going to find all of my systems, 95% win rate. I have more than one. In case you want to check it out, find the link below. Okay, these are the trading systems that I have been using for a long time. I have been trading for over 14 years now. Okay, I have been working inside a hedge fund. I have had my own trading fund. Okay, so basically I do have a lot of experience, and I have failed a lot, but I have succeeded a lot. And the reason that I have succeeded a lot is because I know the mistakes that I have done in the past, and that has helped me improve. Okay, because remember, you cannot have success without failure. Okay, guys, so use a systematic approach. If you don't have one, you can check the link below. Okay, so that's the tip number one, and how to fix that. Now, once you fix that, you're gonna be able to backtest your strategy. Okay, there's a lot of softwares nowadays. Okay, actually, in my private members area, I give you for free one of the best forex simulator available in the market. Okay, so in that way, you're going to be able to practice, okay? Because remember, practice makes perfect, just as in sports and in any other discipline that you engage, okay? So this way is gonna help you avoid losing your money, okay? You're gonna be able to practice and backtest, collect data for your system, and this is gonna help you so much in controlling your emotions, because you're gonna trust your system and you're gonna trust your data and the probabilities, okay? The probabilities and statistics in the market is the number one thing that is going to help you avoid having emotions involved, okay? Because when we have emotions involved, this means that you don't trust yourself, you don't trust your system, and you're basically just guessing, okay? So systematic approach, that's the thing number one to do. Another thing you want to avoid is just trading randomly, okay? Stop trading the news. You know, trading the news is extremely dangerous, right? These are the most high impact news, which are CPI, NFP, FOMC, and whenever we have Powell speaking, FOMC minutes, okay? So one of the things that I do avoid is trading on these days, okay? Because think about it, okay? The market is gonna wait for these news to happen, because they are very, very important in the market, especially if you're trading, for example, indices, or if you're trading, this is going to affect the US market, guys, okay? So if you are, for example, like a NASDAQ trader or an S&P 500 trader, Dow Jones, indices in general, it's going to be extremely volatile, also gold. So what you want to do is just wait for the market, for the waters to clear, okay? Don't risk your money. And even worse, like, don't trade the news itself, because you can get slipped, and it's extremely dangerous, guys. You cannot close your trades because there's not enough liquidity for the brokers to find a position in your trade to close your trade, okay? So that's why you get slipped in the news. So that's basically a example, okay? Only amateur traders trade the news, okay? So trust me on this, the algorithm of the market is gonna behave extremely different on these days, okay? So it's very choppy and it's very dangerous. So what you wanna do is just wait for the next day to continue trading, okay? Okay, so another point, very, very important, is that since the market moves 24 hours, 5 days a week, they think they can make money any time of the day, okay? But that's completely not true. The fact that it moves, that doesn't mean anything. You have to have an exact system and know when to enter, when to exit, and have a very strict risk management plan, and you gotta apply to it. You gotta respect it, because it's basically like a business plan, okay, guys? Trading is no different from any other business, okay? It doesn't mean that you're gonna take random trades just to see if you can make money, okay? The thing is, like, it's very easy for us to just click and either make money or lose money. So that's very appealing for new traders. So that's one thing you have to avoid. You need to have a very, very solid plan. It has to be very specific, and you have to respect it every single day. And what does it have to include? Well, I would recommend you just choosing one pair, because I see many traders trying to trade many pairs. They trade Forex, they trade like all the currencies, they trade London session, Asian session, they trade indices. It's a complete mess, okay, guys? So inside my members area, obviously I do have an exact system which has helped me and my students make a lot of money and become very, very extremely consistent, to the point that my system is 95% accurate, and I would say 100%, because the only times that you lose a trade, which you should not, is when you break a rule, okay? And yes, that is absolutely real, and this is true. It is absolutely possible to achieve a 95% win rate and above, okay? Whoever says that it's not possible, he's a loser, I'm telling you right now, because the thing is like, that's way beyond his possibilities. Okay, just trust me. If you apply yourself, if you respect your rules, and you have a good system, there's no way you should lose, guys. Trust me on that. Okay, because I do it every single day. I have been doing this for 14 years. Okay, and I do help my students. I do help anybody that comes to me, and if you want to have help or whatever, I'm open for that. Okay, so make sure, I would recommend you to choose just one pair. Okay, in this case, I just trade Nasdaq. Choose one session. Okay, and I'll trade the NYSE session and one setup. That's it. And trust me, guys, you're gonna see a huge improvement in your trading, and you're gonna thank me later. Obviously, okay, this is the characteristics of how I work with my students. This is a personalized guidance. I work very closely with my students, okay? And I share with them my personal 95% win rate systems. I have more than one because we are all different, and I check the mistakes. I help you. We create together step by step your trading plan that fits into your lifestyle, into your own personality. Okay, and I'm going to help you become a consistent, profitable trader, and you're going to make money. You're going to flip your account. You're going to be able to get funded. Whatever goal you have, I'm going to be there with you, and I'm going to help you. Okay, whatever you need, just make sure to check the link below, and you can send me a message. This is my Instagram, FZGatorBacks. Okay.